Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I have a try on haul, all bathing suits featuring Shein. So I feel as though I really went through this sort of feeling after I had kids. First of all, let me just preface this. I've never been a super sexy dresser. I've never gone for the low cut, the tight, the skimpy. I've just never been that way. My mom always dressed super conservatively. I always felt my best when I was dressing conservatively, but to each his own. But I feel like I should preface that because I've always been conservative. And then after I had my child, I felt like nothing fit quite like it used to, so I really had to get different clothing. And I really went the way in which I feel like a lot of people think they should, like high rise. And that's okay. If you like it, go for it. And I do like a lot of those things, but I felt like I kind of put myself in this like pocket where it's like, I'm a mom now. I should only wear mom swimsuits, full coverage, like I just should. And that's okay. And there's a time and a place for all of that. But you know what? I also am like, I'm really proud of my body. I really enjoy it. And it might not look like yours. It might look worse than yours. And I'm really proud of it. I'm proud of working out. I'm proud of being able to move my body. I'm proud of having a child out of my body. I'm really just embracing where I'm at. And I figured I wanted to try some different styles and really find out like what is my style of bikini that I prefer, instead of just going for the more full coverage, concealing and all of that, and just kind of trying to figure out what my perfect fit is. Because you guys, I feel like I just don't know what flatters my body or enhances my body, if you will. So we went deep diving onto Shein, and I like their bathing suits a lot. So I kind of wanted to try some different styles, some ones that I wouldn't normally pick. Some are absolute fails. I'm going to go through those as well because their site is so big. I'm going to leave my general measurements just so you can kind of get an idea, and the sizes and the exact links to the swimsuits that I got. So I get everything pretty much in a medium to a large. And in other brands, I'm typically a small. I feel like their bathing suits run super, super small, and that's just my opinion. Plus, I have a larger chest. I'm in like a 32D, 34D, so I have a larger chest for a smaller framed body, I think. But anyway, let's get into it. I tried to just kind of go through and pick some of the ones that were like super popular, ones that I've seen on people before, or like read through the comments and whatnot, but it's super helpful to see it on an actual body instead of just like the model. So always scroll down to the comment section. I feel like it's super important, but it's also really important to see it on an actual moving body instead of just a picture. So let's start with this. I had seen this on so many girls, really, really like thin, slender girls with not a lot of side booty meat and boobs. So this honestly didn't really work out for me, you guys. The top is so cute. I got this, I want to say in a size medium. I got this in a medium, yeah. I have to get mediums to larges for all of the tops just because it needs to cover, okay? I thought this was so cute. I absolutely love the top. If I had bottoms, I would mix and match with something else because these bottoms are like I want to step out, you know? But this is like not family friendly, okay? Not family friendly. Not even like Mexico with just my husband friendly, but these are real cheeky. There's a couple things I do love about these. I like that you can tie the sides as you know, however you want, but this is a medium, so this has fuller coverage than like a small one. It also is not like white on the inside, so that's nice. So if you're just kind of like a very slender build with not a lot of stuff, and you don't really care how skimpy your bathing suit is, this is so cute. I just couldn't, I felt like it just didn't really flatter my frame personally. But a swimsuit that I personally found, and this is also gonna be very like different. Some people are gonna be like, that doesn't flatter you, or it does. It comes down to how you feel and you look in your body. So this swimsuit is like my obsession. I wish it had more colors that I enjoyed. It does have 3 other colors, but I don't love them. So I've come to learn that I love an underwire moment, because I feel like since having child and breastfeeding, my boobs just aren't as lifted as they used to be. So I love that this has the support from the underwire. And I like the straps that kind of go back like a bra versus tied up like in the top. I don't know, I prefer this style. So I really love this style top. I love the coloring of this too. The blue and the yellow is very fun, very pretty. I believe I got this, yes, this is at a medium. And the tops, or the bottoms, I feel like are coverage enough. Like I don't feel like I'm flopping, hanging out, but I like that you can hike it up. And I always go with a medium. Again, obviously you need it for the top, but the bottoms, I feel like if you don't, they just kind of dig into where I'm a little bit fluffier. So I prefer something that's a little bit looser on the bottoms. Not that it's gonna like fall off, but just that it's not like digging in and creating like just emphasis on my part where I feel not as confident in. But I love the way this fits, and I highly recommend this swimsuit. It is one of my favorites. I've already worn it like 3 times to the pool. I'm obsessed. This guy I thought I would really like. It's not bad, it's just not great. Okay, so this is just a traditional triangle top, but the model showed it done a different way that I've never tried, and I thought, well, maybe that's really flattering. And it kind of is. It's really pretty. You can do this with any style triangle top, and you can really wear it any way because there's a million different ways to tie it. I liked the print. It's like blue and like kind of like Hawaiian-y flowers. I don't know. I just felt like it didn't really do a ton for me, but I actually liked the top. I felt like tied that way, it actually did, you know, bring it all front and center. The bottoms though, I feel like are just kind of like not tall enough for my booty, but if I like hike it down, then my like this is, you know, so it's not quite what I would have loved for bottoms. So I don't love the bottoms. They're not even that small. They just don't seem to give me enough coverage for my liking. So, or like fit quite the way I want. And typically I like a string so I can tie it up higher and adjust it, and you get a lot more control with it. But unfortunately those just kind of didn't work out for me. So really the ones that I loved were ones without tie. So again, like that's me thinking like I used to love tie, and then turns out all the ones that I like on my body are non-tie. This is one I was so excited about, but unfortunately the top just didn't work. So the bottoms, black and white, so cute, loved the bottoms, very flattering. They did have a piece that if I was keeping it, I would have cut, because it's just like, doorbell. It's just like this extra piece of fabric, but besides that, not a big deal. So the top was honestly the fail in it. It just kind of was big in this section where like my boobs went into. This I got in a large. So if I got a medium in this, I just feel like the bottoms would be too in. So unfortunately this is a fail for me, but if you feel like your chest represents the entirety of your body, like you're very proportionate, then I feel like this would be a super cute suit. And I love black and white. I think it's adorable. Speaking of black and white, this is another one of my favorites. Again, I didn't know I would like this sort of bra top, so I got it in the blue, and then I also got it in this black, and I love it. I feel like it really does flatter my figure. So again, bra, like underwire bottom. I thought this would look very like bra-like, and it kind of does, but you're at the pool, so no one's gonna be like, is she wearing her bra and underwear? No, it's a freaking swimsuit, you know, and who cares what they think. I also didn't think I would like just this back clasp right here, but these seem to fit me fine around my chest situation. So I love this. It's kind of got this like riffled detail here and the little like heart or flower in the middle. And then the bottoms, again, super cute. A little bit tight in that like squeeze me kind of way, but I think that they're only gonna stretch out a little bit more. And again, I love the little lacy details, black with the little flower. I thought this was super flattering, and yeah, one of my favorites. I definitely will be keeping that one, and by keeping it, I mean I've already worn it like 3 times, so I'm keeping it. Okay, next one is very similar to that blue one that I showed you. It is this guy here. This I just didn't think it did anything for me, honestly. The bottoms were kind of just like meh, and I didn't love it. It's got that same Hawaiian print in pink. I've been really into pink recently, so I wanted to try this out. And this has the bra effect, but I feel like I didn't like this one. So this one's more of like not a balconette. I think I really enjoy the balconette tops versus the full bra look. But this, again, I thought I would love it because it has the tie back so you can truly adjust it, but turns out I didn't love it, and that's okay. That's the cool thing about swimsuits, is I really encourage you guys to find styles and fits that work for you versus being like, I like that bathing suit and I'm gonna wear it. I don't know, I feel like that's kind of how I always was, and now I've kind of shifted that mindset and I feel a lot more confident in bathing suits. But at the end of the day, you can wear whatever the heck you want to wear. This one I thought was so freaking cute. So this was a 3-piece set. I liked the bottoms. Again, they are high rise. They have this like kind of rose detail with the light blue background, and very high, very cheeky, very cute. Okay, no tie. But this top, I thought I would hate it. But once tied, like this is how tight I need to tie it in order for everything to stay lifted and loaded. Like literally, this is so tiny, but it stretches, obviously. So cute. Triangle top, super adjustable though, because it has the bra. Again, it doesn't tie like your traditional. That actually doesn't look great on me, I've decided for myself. So it connects to the back string like such. So you could probably do that with any sort of traditional tie bikinis, which I probably would, but I love the way that this actually held me in a lot more than I thought it would. And it also comes with a sarong, which honestly, this doesn't do much of anything for you, girl. Like, everything's still hanging out, but it's super cute, and I love that bikini. I think it's so cute, and I would look into that in other colors as well. This one, I'm not sure what I was thinking. I don't know if I was thinking, you know? This thing is like a thong. I don't, nope, I don't mess with that, okay? Straps or side ties, so cute, high-waisted. If you like the thong bikini, this is so adorable. I just, no. But anyway, I loved the print on this. It's kind of got like a floral, this ruche. I feel like this ruche is really in it. And I loved the lace. And you can kind of separate this, but unfortunately the coverage was just not enough. The top was cute. Again, same like floral all the way around, and same thing with that blue, as it kind of connects to the back wire, which I really enjoyed. I liked everything about this except for the bottoms were a bit too cheeky for my liking. And then the last one that I got, right, this is the last one, yes. I have a bathing suit like this from Abercrombie. I don't know if it actually has this bottom wire. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. No, I don't think it does actually, but I love this. So I love this one shoulder sort of thing. I think it's pretty flattering and kind of just draws the eye up one side and really holds it in with the wiring. And then it does have the clasp in the back, and it's adjustable for this guy. If I keep this too tight up, it like pulls the back up, which I don't love, but I like this. It's kind of ribbed and it's green. It's very like true to my, maybe a little more teal than my shirt, but love that, again, with the bottom wire. And then these are the bottoms. Again, super cute. High-waisted, not super high-waisted. I haven't worn this one yet, but I'm definitely keeping it. You can hike them up. They're not so high, but you can hike them up, and they're like the same color inside and out. They've got that green ribbed. Again, I love it. So yeah, those are all of these swimsuits that I got from my recent Shein haul. A lot of them are going back, and it's okay to kind of figure out what your style is. So really take the time. If you're feeling like you're not as confident in a bikini as you'd like to be, really try to find a style that fits you instead of just like going on and like seeing other people wearing a swimsuit. You've really got to try it on your body and really see what works best for you. I think that was the biggest game changer for me, is not looking at just the way the model wears it, but like getting it on me and trying it on and seeing how it fits and flatters my body. And I feel a lot more confident in a bikini than I ever had in the past. It truly is super like important for us to just embrace the body we're in at this point in our life, even if you have goals to change or alter or whatever, but to have something that makes you feel confident and comfortable, whether it's a good pair of jeans, a bathing suit, whatever, you need it, and it makes the biggest difference in your confidence when you're wearing it. So I love you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, don't forget to check out the links in the description box down below if you are curious. This video is not sponsored, so I don't have any sort of promo codes, but there's always promo codes running around. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.